I'm back, and it's time for Myth Busting Monday. This week's myth isn't really a myth, but I do want to talk about home improvements. So it's a really common misunderstanding that you get the best prices from the big box stores. So let's just say you're doing a home improvement project and you end up going to like Home Depot or Lowe's or one of those other big box stores because you feel that you're getting the best price there. Maybe it's out of convenience, maybe it's because you think they buy in bulk, whatever it may be. So I actually just went through this process myself where I needed to get new kitchen cabinets and new kitchen counters. So what most people don't realize is that when you go directly to a vendor, you're going to get a better price on some items than if you go to these box stores who are basically you're paying to be your project manager. So let's just say you're getting new cabinets. You're basically paying them so that they can come out and they can literally manage the project. You're gonna give them the measurements, or they're gonna come out and measure, and then they're gonna do a layout design of the kitchen, and then once the cabinets get ordered, they're gonna have somebody else come out and install them. So get that. They're having somebody else come out and install them. They're hiring a third party to do that. So really, it's your best bet just to go directly to a cabinet supplier, pick out the cabinets that you want, and you're gonna save money. I just did this myself and I saved pretty much $3,000 in the difference between the box store and my cabinet vendor. So with that being said, it's the same thing for countertops. Again, they are taking those prices and they're padding that to have somebody else come out and do the work, another third-party company. So do yourself the favor and just make sure that you're getting multiple pricing. Get some directly from a vendor and compare it to Home Depot or Lowe's or any other box store that may be in your area. You may be surprised at the pricing that you'll get, and you'll thank me later. Catch me next time on Mythbuster Monday.